hey, thanks. We got a box.
What do you got in there? Thank you. Oh, yes.
Wow. Whoa.
I'm glad I got this color. This is Timberland boot color.
Yeah, but these are sick.
These are expensive, aren't they?
I think this video cost us literally $10,000 to make. I wanted to do Timberland stupid skate, and then I was like, there they are. Guaranteed waterproof.
Oh, Fetty, jeez.
Usually I have the upper hand on any of these because we always just get size 10 and we think size 10 fits everybody. And then Fetty has to skate in them and size 10 doesn't fit him. Today is a sad day because he has actual Timberlands that fit him.
My foot looks huge.
Dude, why do I feel like these are actually the best skate shoes ever?
They're really good. Coming from Montana, sometimes is what you gotta roll. Like when it's snowing and there's bears chasing you, you roll Timberlands. Wow. They don't have a lot of bend.
No, like pad, it's just like your foot's like roaming around in them.
It's true. Oh yeah, sick.
I feel like that's how you have to run in these.
Yeah. Like the ninja shoes and the sandals were kind of agile, but these are just
Yeah.
monstrosities.
I feel like I could jump down anything though. Yeah, I didn't feel nothing.
Fetty. He's gonna prove a point by jumping down the Braille drop.
Yeah, I felt it. I felt it, Mr. Krabs.
Oh! Literally right in the face! Okay, I'm ready for you.
Timberland!
These remind me of that movie I watched last night.
What movie did you watch last night?
Jumanji. All right, Fetty.
I bet you didn't feel that.
No, in fact, I can't feel anything. Wait.
Rock, paper, rap battle.
Ready? What are you? You ready? Mm-hmm. What are you? Why do you keep misfiring? Dang it! I can never win. I don't skate for a little while, then I get to come back and warm up in Timberland boots. Oh yeah, baby! Playing dirty, going straight for the shove-its. Here's what always messes me up. This part.
First try!
Oh yeah!
Oh! Aaron, if you don't land this, I'm giving you the boot.
Got it! If I do land this, it's for the booty. Oh! What?
Oh my god!
The boots are so heavy, you just, it's just like, yeah, that's all I got to say about that.
I already know what he's trying. It's not gonna go well.
Oh!
That's hard.
I thought for sure he was gonna miss it again. Timber! What? No! That was the worst looking varial flip I've ever seen. Land. I was supposed to land, not timber. Get it?
You said that you wear these in Montana when you're running away from bears in the snow.
Yeah.
You need to act like it in the bay.
Okay.
Come on, get it together.
What? Oh my god!
Ride for Timberland?
He just got beats. I can't beat that beats.
Timberland needs to sponsor Fetty.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh my god!
What do we do? Best 2 out of 3? It's my turn, because I lost.
You destroyed that.
I don't know how. I can't feel my feet.
Timberlands aren't protecting my body at all.
No.
I feel like the
They
bear
make you
caught
fall
me,
harder.
just crushed me. I don't think I can double flip the Timberlands.
Oh! Did you feel that, Primo?
No.
Play dirty and steal his trick. It's the only thing I got left. Dang it!
You're good. You're a good guy. What do you have, Aaron? Fetty.
I've got to develop some serious strategy here. Like, what happens if I do beat him this round? Then we're playing best 2 out of 3.
Yikes.
We have a whole nother round. We got no tricks left.
Oh! Got it. What?
It's the most beautiful fakie heel ever. No! I know what'll get him.
He's got T for Timberland.
My hands are freezing. My palms are sweaty. Egg beater on the spaghetti.
What are you doing?
I don't know. He's taking off his hoodie. Fine, let's go.
Whoa!
What are these lumberjacks up to?
Dude.
Clean as a whistle.
What? You never land that.
Today's the day.
Now it's time to get really dirty.
I don't have 5 more tricks.
This is exactly what I was worried about. Game 3, 5 more tricks.
Let's do
We
it.
gotta do the best 2 out of 3. Gabe's like, no, no, just have Fetty no slide, no. Can we call it a draw?
Nope.
Okay, you go first. Don't worry, he'll get me out fast. We'll be done. We love you guys.
They're very grippy, so like your feet don't move when you hit the ground.
If we weren't playing dirty before, watch this next trick.
What? How?
That was beautiful, just beautiful. All right, I got this though, right here, you ready? Guys, what are we doing?
What? Defense. Whoa.
Wow. I mean, it wasn't the most popped nollie 180 flip, but it did. I did land it. I gotta go back to the trampoline and practice that more. We'll give him a rebate on that. I mean, I fully cheated the switch front big spin. I didn't even do it at all.
Oh! Wow.
What? He's literally better at skating in Timberlands than regular shoes.
Dude, if they release like a low top Timberland boot,
I got it.
skating that all day.
And here I wanted to save that trick for the tee.
The score is now A-A.
Primo on my side. Oh. I landed primo and I thought in the air, I thought I could triple flip. And then I primoed onto my hip on the board. Oh, that really hurt. That really hurt.
You were very close to drop kicking me in the face right there.
Oh! Let's give him a rebate.
Okay.
T to T, T to T.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Oh no. Oh. At least he didn't land primo on the board on his side.
Might as well have.
Oh! Well played.
That was probably one of the best games ever. Now to end this video, you gotta do a no slide. And we'll throw the Frisbee at you.
Okay.
Wow, that was like the hardest game I've ever played. He really had me beat there. Like 18 times he won. The best part is when you were getting a new battery, they already did this first try.
Really?
Yeah, with the Frisbee.
Wow!
If you 360 flip the 5 right here in 3 tries, I will give you a Jamba Juice shirt.
He already has one.
He already has one.
Oh!
For some reason in the Timberlands, his tray flips are like twice as high. Fetty breaks everything. There's the proof.
All right, I'm gonna land it for your camera now.
Well done. Yes. Explain the what in the
Shoe are we doing?
how do you feel them? Skateboard.
Not as bad as I thought.
Really?
They're
I
way
guess
more intimidating.
they are.
Like,
Yeah.
when, you know, when you put them on.
What I feel like every time I land, the board's gonna snap into 1,000 pieces. They're very heavy. I feel like you should be like stomping on
I feel like we're gonna
skulls.
put our normal shoes on and be able to pop like this high.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making it. That was probably one of the best games of skate we've ever played, like for real. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and then check out all the other videos in the playlist. If you guys want to skate with us, we are having a Braille House party on April 7th. Andy Schrock is coming, Brian Ames is coming, and some other people are coming. I'm sure Doug will be there because Doug is
He's always
everywhere.
there. He could
And
be
maybe
there.
we'll even invite Carlos.
Yeah, I can be there too.
April 7th. We'll see you guys there at the Braille House. Tickets available at brailleskateboarding.com.